Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of the triangles we used in our calculus presentation, and I'm just going to put the board up on it. So what's happening now, would you guess?
So now we're tilted a bit to the left.
It's more likely, since it's sort of gravity's pulling down, but because of that, it's more likely to go left than to go right, but only slightly.
Okay.
So maybe where the majority of the balls are, maybe it's going to be like over here instead of over here.
Okay.
So I'm not sure. It might have a big impact or a small impact.
And even from that toss, you could see that like much more went over here than went over here.
Okay. So let's take a look.
So,
It's just shifted slightly, but you almost have the same curve because you're going up and then going down.
yeah, it's interesting. It still looks reasonably normally distributed.
Okay.
Again, with that same curve, it's just like shifted over.
Here it's shifted. Looks like it's shifted less over.
Okay, let's do it one more time, and then I'll have you guys talk about it. Okay, so tell me what you see.
Well, for one thing, for the normal one, we always had the beads in at least one bead in every container, but I'm not sure. If you look, I don't think there's any beads in these last two chambers.
Okay.
So that might have it probably were affected because you had to go over right the most.
And it's interesting that this one has so many. Like, it still looks normally distributed, just shifted over a bit, but this one would still be considered kind of abnormal, just because it has so many more than it maybe should.
Okay. Anything else you see here?
Not really.
Is there anything that surprises you about this with it tilted like this?
It's still kind of surprising that the shape of the normal distribution showed up. It was just shifted a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it shifted more than you thought it would be, or less than you thought it would be?
I thought it was less. I thought it would have been shifted a little more than this.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do one more, just for illustrative purposes, just to be sure.
Yep.
Okay, so that shifted less than you thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. All right, now we're going to talk about one last thing.